How to enable Face ID or Touch ID in WhatsApp in iOS? It's a new feature in iOS. So first of all, you need to update your WhatsApp Messenger from the App Store. After updating it, yes, you need to open it and go to the settings. In settings, you will find the privacy, and here you find a new thing like that is screen lock. Turn on the Face ID button and set it to the immediately. After that, the first time it will ask for the permission, and then it will work. Whenever you open the WhatsApp, it asks for the Face ID, and it will not open if it is incorrect or did not recognize it. WhatsApp logged. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share the video and follow us on Twitter.